What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, I'm thinking I want to use this orange and yellow in the bow because it's funky, and why not? With a little bit of raffia in it. So let's get our raffia out. Y'all, I just think this burnt orange over that black and white is going to be the way to go. Let's make our bow. Y'all, we're going to do about a 6-inch loop. Get ourselves a little short tail up at the top. I got the long raffia from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. Y'all, let's get a little bit of raffia. So y'all, just a little bit of raffia right in the middle of that. Now, y'all, on this one, I am going to do a loop on the other side, same color. Because I'm only using 2 ribbons, I want to make sure I get the yellow on both sides. Claudette, sorry to hear about your mom. All right, let's get a little bit more raffia in here. All right, double pipe cleaner. Twist it off. Y'all, I'm just going to do 2 loops on each one. Mainly because the pumpkin's so small. I don't want to keep making a bunch of loops and then it'll be bigger than our pumpkin. Like, we can't have that. All right, y'all, I'm just going to wrap this bow up here around the pumpkin stem. Let's trim these tails. Y'all, I'm going to trim some of these tails pretty short just because I don't want to cover the whole pumpkin. Let's trim our top ones. Y'all, that's actually pretty cute, just like that. That's how I should have listed them on Amazon. It's just like this. All right, let's see if we want to add... I don't know if I want to add the pumpkin to the pumpkin. Okay, I want to add the pumpkin to the pumpkin for sure. It's cute. All right. Y'all, okay, so on the other ones, y'all, I built up out the top. On this one, because it's so small, I'm just going to have the bow at the top, and then we're going to build down the front of the pumpkin. All right, and then just like last night, just gluing in all the places that we had our sticks on the back. Look how cute. I feel like it still needs just a little bit of something. Y'all, the only thing is this one is sticking up a little. He's a little too excited. We need to tame him down a little bit. So y'all, I'm gonna take my needle nose pliers and I'm gonna bend it down where that wire is so that it lays more flat against the pumpkin and not like peeking at your guest.